Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a one brand makeup tutorial featuring the Huda Beauty products. So yeah, stay tuned and watch how I achieve this gorgeous makeup look. So I used the Huda Beauty brow mascara, whatever it's called, and then I used the Empowered palette. Guys, this palette is absolutely stunning. Like, every shades in this palette is just amazing, very pigmented, and I didn't experience fallout as such because the products stick well onto my face, my skin, and I love how well the shades blends really well. And yeah, I really love the color frame or color selection of the eyeshadow, and I like the fact that the quality of the pigments are really good. As you guys already know, Huda Beauty always delivers when it comes to eyeshadow palettes, and everything I did in this video is self-explanatory. And look at that, I was speechless. The gold foul shade in this palette is just gorgeous. Like, the pigmentation is out of this world. Look at that. I was speechless. I was thinking, wow, wow, wow. I couldn't believe it myself. I knew I had most all of big palettes and they never disappoint, because I find myself reaching for them most of the time because there's something about our eyeshadow palette that just gets me. It's like I don't have any other palettes in my collection, but obviously I do. But I just like the quality of eyeshadows. So yeah, I actually use the what's it called? Double line. I don't even know. I think it's dual. It's called dual liner, right? Yeah, I love this a lot because it's travel friendly. I can actually line my eyes and also line my waterline at the same time. And Afara lashes, guys, you need to try it. You need to try it. And one of the best eyelash glue I tried is by Huda Beauty, and I love it. I really love it. So I use a primer. This is one of my favorite primer of hers. I've almost run out of it. I still had like two other primers from her, but I really love this a lot. I've not had a chance to try the rest, but yeah. And for my foundation, I actually didn't use foundation as such. I enjoyed using that glow wish, especially on the day that I want to go for full coverage but with less cakiness. I always opt for the glowish foundation or whatever it's, I can't remember what it's called, but yeah, I love that a lot. As you guys can tell, it blends seamlessly with the concealer. This is my first time trying this concealer, and I love the fact that there was no creasing whatsoever, and the fact that the setting powder works really well with the concealer. I love it. My makeup was there all day, and coupled with the fact that I actually used that setting spray, the one on the tin, oh gosh, perfect combo. Perfect combo. So for my contour, I used the Tonto. The Tonto, I completely forgot I had it in my collection. I was just like, hold on, what am I going to use to contour my face? Then I saw, I like, wow, that, the way it blends into the skin is just amazing. It reminds me of one of my favorite. You guys already know which which one it is. So yeah, it gives the same, it feels like the same formula as well. Look at that. How amazing is that? This blush is really opaque, so you have to be really careful, like you don't put too much. I really love it. The fact that the packaging is really small, but you're gonna use it for God knows how long. It's so pigmented. I love that. Great value for money. And yeah, the next step is to set my face. Have you guys tried this setting spray? It has spray. It's something like, it has this thing in it. I don't understand, but whatever. It always make my makeup last all day. When I say all day, I mean all day. And I love it. I can't stop myself from using it. But yeah, And for my highlighter, guys, oh no, you guys already know me with this. I mean, I rarely use any other brand highlighter apart from Huda Beauty. All our highlighters go perfectly well with my skin tone, and I love how they give that gorgeous glow to the skin. So yeah, I love it. And for my lips, I actually got the Machi Machi lip liner and lipstick. I forgot what they called, but yeah, the lipstick is called Heartbreaker, but I can't remember what the lip liner is called, but it's a 2.0 edition lip liner. And as you guys can tell, they're a perfect combination. And yeah, that's how much I love it. So yeah, that's it for today's look, guys. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, you can't complete your look without the Kayali fragrance. I was using the apple, cherry, and the Love Fest. This combination is perfecto. I love them. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Have a wonderful day or evening or whatever you are. Stay blessed. See you in my next one. Bye.